Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this headphone jack and USB Type-C adapter. I purchased this on Amazon for about $13–14. I'll leave a link in the description below. And the maximum charging would be 3 amps or 20 volts. And this is USB Type-C. You see the USB Type-C port and the audio port. This is where you plug in to charge your phone with a charging adapter. So it looks like this. It feels pretty nice. This part right here and here can handle stress. It's built to handle stress. This is about 4¼ inch long. It's not that long, but it's okay. You don't need a cord that long. So this is what it looks like. Simple. Now we're going to do a quick demo. My phone already has a headphone jack. Let's say if it didn't, or it was broken, we can use this as a substitute. Now we can plug in the power and see if it charges. It does, and it says fast charging. So it works really good so far. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.